Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by setting a clear objective. Find Bos and Choch in the target zone. Once done, gather only essential tools, mapping app, a light source and 2 backup comms, and confirm battery levels. Now perform a quick perimeter scan and mark the first GPS coordinate. This saves time and prevents overlap. Make immediate notes of distinctive signs and environmental details. These baseline observations will guide pattern matching in the next phase and let you prioritize likely. You proceed by creating a systematic grid and assigning time sweeps to each cell so no ground is missed. As you move, apply 3 detection tiers: quick visual passes, focused auditory listening, and signal checks with tools, alternate tiers to avoid bias. Make sure to log every interaction with timestamps, photos, and a confidence percentage for each lead. Once you accumulate several leads, prioritize them by confidence and proximity. Then set targeted checks rather than repeating broad sweeps. You finish by confirming candidates. Cross-reference at least 2 independent signals or clues before labeling anything as Bos or Choch. After verification, document the final location thoroughly: photo, GPS, measurements, and concise notes, then archive logs for later review. If you can't confirm, retrace your last 2 grid sweeps and widen or narrow search parameters by about 30% to account for observer error. One troubleshooting tip: if signals disappear, pause and rescan from a different angle to remove.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.